In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the viral TikTok voiceover known as Adam using ElevenLabs. Before we dive into the process, I want to remind you that if you're new to ElevenLabs, consider signing up through our affiliate link. It's a great way to support our channel while you enjoy all the features the platform offers. Once you've created your ElevenLabs account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left panel, you'll notice a menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Text-to-Speech and give it a click. This is your gateway to harnessing the power of artificial voice generation. After you've clicked on Text-to-Speech, direct your attention to the right panel. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu which allows you to select a voice from a diverse range of options. Your goal is to find the voice named Adam. It's important to note that there might be multiple voices labeled as Adam, so choosing the correct one is essential. To ensure you have the right Adam, hover over each option and click to play a short preview. Listen carefully to each sample until you identify the one that matches the viral TikTok voice you're looking for. Don't rush this step, because selecting the wrong voice could lead to unexpected results. Once you've confidently identified and selected the correct Adam, give it a click to activate it within your project. From this point onwards, Adam will be available for you to generate speeches using that iconic viral TikTok voice. This feature provides a fantastic opportunity for creating engaging content that resonates with the TikTok community. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You've just learned how to access and utilize the viral TikTok voiceover Adam within ElevenLabs. Whether you're creating TikTok content or enhancing your projects with a recognizable sound, this voice has the potential to captivate your audience. So take some time to play around with it, experiment with different texts, and see what creative possibilities you can unlock with Adam's voice. With these instructions, you'll be well on your way to making the most out of the ElevenLabs platform. If you enjoyed this guide and found it helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy creating with the Adam voice.